Okay, guys, welcome back to our rare Kyosho Mini Z unboxings. This is my second box, and this is also from Japan, also from the Stellar Salgin 4338. And I can't remember what goodies are in here. Let's have a quick look. I've cut the sides of the box, guys. I don't know, I mean, let me know, do you like to see me cut the whole box up or this and that? Because I just think I'm wasting your time, so I've just slit the sides. I'm going to slit the top now. If I can find it. But if you like seeing that, guys, see me wrestling the boxes and losing all the time, then let me know, and I don't mind showing you guys. But I just don't want to make it too long and bore you guys to death. So, is this Salgin's well packed? Okay. What little beauties are hiding in here? Let's have a look. Oh yeah. Okay, let's start with this one. And what I'll do is I'll take one of these and take one of them out and put the box down. I think there's no prizes for guessing what that is. So, like I said, I did get some pre-owned ones, and I have got some, well, a lot of them are brand new, but there were some pre-owned ones which I thought, oh, I'd like to get that as a spare, and he was doing them pretty cheap, so I couldn't really turn that away. And eBay were doing that offer of 10% off. I thought, it's all falling in line. What a gift from the heavens. So, this is a Porsche 911 GT3 RS. This yellow business isn't going to cut it, so I'm going to take this yellow case off because it is, you can tell it's, oh look, it just broke off. Wow, that must have been in storage for a long time. All the paperwork and stuff like that. You tell the older ones had all that stuff with it. Okay, loads of paperwork in there. Right, but this is worth a look. Beautiful, beautiful. Look at that one, guys. Ain't that nice? You do see these knocking about on eBay. I looked at them and I thought, okay, I'm not a massive Porsche fan. I do prefer Lamborghinis, but they don't bring Lamborghinis out in the new ones. But I thought it looked nice in a little lineup or a race vid. So yeah, that is classed as very rare, but you can get hold of them. Okay, so that's obviously Porsche 911 GT3 kind of shape. But the decals are a bit different, are a bit dated because it's 2002, but still, yeah, I like it. Okay, I don't really like the wheels that come on Porsches though. I think that's a right old look. And that deep dish, and I love deep dish, so yeah. Okay, so put you over here, and you can tell what that is. If you watched my videos before, I bought one of these brand new, and you know, if I don't need to use the brand new one, because I bought that brand new because I'd never seen another one come up on eBay, and then from the same seller he had this used one. I thought, well, if I can get a used one, why don't I use the brand new one? I don't mind trashing a used one about, using it in my vids. Okay, so this is the Chevrolet Caprice, which is the version they did the police car in as well. And this is the taxi, and you should be able to fit lights into it. Come on, what is your problem? Right, okay, we get out. Cool. Oh, that's actually in decent condition, man. That's not bad. The only thing is the emblem on the front's broken off, but I can live with that. No biggie. No biggie. Actually nice and in good shape. And as I say, you can put lights in this so you can see the front. You just pull these little buggers out, which are hard to get out, trust me. And the ones at the back, yeah, if they break off, you have got problems. And oh my goodness, oh no, the tabs on the ones here are broken off, right? That is a problem. Because if you can see in there, guys, you can see the little bulbs in there, if you can see it, all right? Now the tabs there, and this is my complaint, they're not easy to get out. Trust me, not easy to get out. And if you break the tabs off, you are in for the fight of your life, yeah, because it's hard to get them things out. So whoever had this tried to get the lights out, and they broke the tabs, and they couldn't get the false bulbs out to put proper LEDs in. So am I going to have to drill that? Because I would like to have lights working on this little bad boy. But yeah, I'm quite happy with the condition of that. I'm quite happy with that. Because new, you're looking at, unless you're a bit of a bargain hunter, you're looking at £100 easily for that from Japan, and they're really hard to get hold of. But pre-owned, it was much cheaper than that. I think it was around 20 something like that. So yeah, Mini Z's are kind of like an investment as well, guys, because you know they kind of hold their value, especially if they're rare. Right, put them little bad boys on the display stand, and yep, be ready for the next vid, guys. I'm gonna carry on with my unboxing. You guys can watch the stuff on the display stand. Let's go. Okay guys, so here we've got another one of the rare Porsches, and I believe this is the 996 shape, and this is the 2002 GT3 RS version. So most Porsches are found like a 90mm wheelbase, and they usually have a rear motor mount, so I've had to like dedicate a car to them just for ease. Can't bother to shop and change all the time. So Porsche have got some funky cars out, man. They've really got some. I was pretty surprised as to how many Porsches you can pick up with that are actually like GT kind of versions that have loads of decals all over it. I didn't expect there to be that many, and they were. And this is another one. Now this isn't the prettiest one that I've come across, far from it, but it is rare, and it has become difficult to get a hold of. And again, the only place I could find these were in Japan. So this is definitely a blast from the past, and you know, this was the machine of its time. Porsche basically won the 24-hour Le Mans race in 1998 with the Porsche GT1, and basically after that they decided to focus on the GT racing classes, and they modified the 996 generation and the 911. So this body shell is based on the Carrera 4 body shell, and obviously it was put together for performance, so they made modifications on it to create space for a separate sump oil tank. They dropped the ride height by 30mm. So again, it was designed for performance, and this actually was one of the cars that had done well. Now I'm not sure if the ones that Mini Z's have actually replicated were these champions. I don't know, if you guys know, let me know. There definitely were cars that raced in GT races, but did they only pick out the ones that were the winners, or did they just pick out the ones that looked amazing? I haven't got to the bottom of that yet. If you guys know, let me know. Okay, let's move on. Okay guys, give this a quick whiz on there. You've seen the one that I had before that was new. So this is the Chevrolet Caprice. This is the taxi version, just like the police car, and you can fit lights to the headlights, tail lights, and you can also put lights in the actual taxi sign. So pretty cool car, guys. So I thought, I'm going to do a crazy taxi video, I'm going to have that in there, and that was one of the inspirations behind getting that one. Okay, just going to give that a quick whiz and we will move on.